crazy. We're right down on the border, still in California, but almost to Arizona and almost to Mexico.
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 Mexico on the sand dunes.
How is your date shape, baby?
Delicious.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
I think we had a second time where our campendium spot did not really work out. The entry to the road was absolutely brutal. We did it at like 7 o'clock at night on a long drive day. I was extremely tired and I called a no-go on it and we aborted and ended up staying in a truck stop parking lot. Regardless, we stayed the night in Arizona in our RV, so we're gonna put a sticker up. Now we're at a Harvest Host, and we're west of Goodyear, and this is just an empty 2-acre lot. We'll video getting out of here tomorrow morning, as it might be slightly challenging. I hope folks are awake with the tractor. Something bad happens to pull us out. I'm not confident in leaving tomorrow. We got in it though, so we can get out. We have a new state to go on our map because we've officially spent one night in the RV in Arizona. Okay, this side looks good. This side's looking good. I did it. Oh, I think I did it perfect. Pretty sure I could give lessons on how to put Arizona sticker on your statement. Our plan for spring is at very least hit 4 corners because we really want to be in here anyway, like for the hiking and all that kind of fun stuff.
Maybe even Wyoming.
I'm almost feeling like we need to do this.
Yep.
And
just to get Texas. I'm so glad you're on the same page.
One night right here.
In the corner.
Make sure we don't get stolen by
a cartel.
And then come back. It looks really short on a sticker map. It might be a little bit different on a real map on how far that really is.
Oh, yeah.
It might be a long ways out. At very minimum, we're gonna come over here to Tucson, probably cut up, go this way, hit 4 corners, probably skirt the east side of Utah, because we've already done all this, and actually lived here, technically. And then we'll drop into Wyoming or head up into Wyoming. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe we do this.
Now you're getting crazy,
maybe we
baby.
do this and we'll have all of this.
Now you're getting crazy.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
Yep. These are more stickers of like where we've been. Like you can see there's a Nashville one.
Chicago.
We went to Nashville together. We went to Chicago together. We did that. We were in Joshua Tree area. You see we're trying to fill in the little gaps that we started out.
Heading home today to say Merry Christmas to everybody. We rented a car because we don't want to put 2,500 miles on the truck for no reason. And we have free rental days because of Jason's travels. So figured why not use them. So that's what we're doing. We're heading to Oregon today, dropping the truck and the trailer, both of them off at a storage facility. And yeah. Got a long couple days ahead of us. Super sandy area. We're really hoping that we don't get stuck in this. Slow down. No stuckage. I'm driving that to the storage place, rental car, and Jason's heading to the storage place.
All right, buddy. I'll see you in a couple weeks, okay? It'll be good. It'll be good. It's only 2 weeks. I didn't forget about you. I didn't forget. Love you too. I'll miss you too. We'll see you soon. 2 weeks, you take care of each other. Be good. Don't get into trouble without me. Bye, guys. Don't look back, okay? Don't look back.
Are you sad, honey? It's really weird, actually. We are in Nevada. Oh my God. Do you see it?
The burrows and beauty!
Baby, what are you doing?
No idea.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's red.
Oh God.
Take off.
We are out playing with a couple new toys that we got for Christmas. One from my wonderful mother, thank you, and the other for ourselves. We are at Ankeny National Wildlife Refuge. We're about to fly our drone for the first time out in public, so hopefully we don't crash and hopefully we get some awesome footage, and stay tuned.